All right, special thanks to our friends at Glitgate who were nice enough to send us this 150 watt LED parking lot light. Now this is just going to be an unboxing to show you exactly what comes inside of here. But inside of this box is an LED parking lot light, and we have everything you should need. Nice instruction manual with what looks like good detail and information on the light. Then we have a very nice strong bracket here. Wow, this thing is powerful. Now, here are some screws and stuff, and it seems this just has 3 little wires coming out of it. These are green, white, and black, and that seems to go to this proprietary little adapter which looks to plug in right here. So that's pretty cool. And then you screw it in and tighten. I like it. Seems nice and secure. So it's pretty easy to set up, being just 3 little wires. Then the last piece to the puzzle, other than this massive Allen wrench, that's it for the box. This is the actual LED light. Tons of LEDs right here. They are all protected. We got like little bubble stuff over them. And this is kind of how it would look from the top. So remove black photo cell cover cap after on-off switch test. So basically this is what will have it automatically cut on from dusk till dawn. When it gets nighttime, the light will cut on, and in the daytime, it'll cut off. So that should essentially do it for this Glitgate LED parking light. Thanks again to Glitgate for sending this to me to unbox and show you everything you get here. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.